Hi students, welcome to Bosco Campus Vision. I am Shankar Ganesh, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Application, Don Bosco College, Kottayam. I am delighted to present a lecture on the topic Application Phase and Organization Learning, which comes under the fourth module of Information Systems and Knowledge Management. This lecture is meant for Semester 5 BCA course of Kerala University. In this lecture, we are going to discuss knowledge asset, intellectual capital and property. Knowledge assets are of far greater value than any tangible asset such as land and buildings, machinery and many other fixed assets reported in the books of accounts. They provide the organization a knowledge platform for creating sustainable competitive advantage. The nature of knowledge and knowledge management has given rise to a range of different designs of knowledge management systems that enable organizations to convert their knowledge into actionable information. There are two types of knowledge assets. First one, explicit or formal assets like copyrights, patents, templates, publications, reports, archives, knowledge products, etc. Second one, tacit or informal assets that are rooted in human experience and include personal belief, perspective and values. Next, we can discuss Skandia model for measuring intellectual capital. In Skandia's view, intellectual capital denotes intangible assets including customer or market capital, process capital, human capital and renewal and development capital. The value of intellectual capital is represented by the potential financial returns that are attributable to these intangible or non-financial assets. The Skandia model attempts to provide an integrated and comprehensive picture of both financial capital and intellectual capital. Generally, national economic indicators supported by hard quantitative data are used for examining the internal and external processes occurring in a country. However, the model questions if such indicators provide a full and accurate assessment of the country's assets. It has developed the framework of intellectual capital as a complement of financial capital. In this model, there are four components of intellectual capital. First one, market capital. Second one, process capital. Third one, human capital. And fourth one, renewal and development capital. First one, market capital. In the context of the original model applied to market enterprises, this component of intellectual capital is referred to as customer capital to represent the value embedded in the relationship of the firm with its customers. In the context of national intellectual assets, it is referred to as market capital to signify the market and trade relationships the nation holds within the global markets with its customers and its suppliers. Second one, process capital. It signifies national processes, activities and related infrastructure for creation, sharing, transmission and dissemination of knowledge for contributing to individual knowledge workers' productivity. Third one, human capital. Human capital includes knowledge, wisdom, expertise, intuition and the ability of individuals to realize national tasks and goals. Human capital is the property of individuals. It cannot be owned by the organization. Fourth one, renewal and development capital. This component of intellectual capital reflects the nation's capabilities and actual investments for future growth such as research and development, patents, trademarks and startup companies that may be considered as determinants of national competence in future markets. In this lecture, we have discussed knowledge asset, intellectual capital and property. Hope all of you have understood the lecture. Thank you.